Hello everyone, welcome back to Swera Education. In our previous video, we have learnt about what are NFTs. In this video, let's see how to create an NFT. First, you'll need to make or mint your NFT. To make an NFT of your artwork, you will need to choose an NFT platform and a payment wallet. There are lots of online platforms you can use to make and sell an NFT. For illustrative purposes, we'll show the process involved in making and selling an NFT using the NFT platform OpenSea and the cryptocurrency payment platform Metamask. You can use any other platform as well, following the same process. All of the NFT auction platforms will want paying upfront to mint an NFT, which is the process that turns your artwork into a non-fungible token that you sell. In most cases, payment must be made in cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum blockchain, which is where NFTs were first launched. This means that before you have any chance of earning some cryptocurrency by selling an NFT of your work, you'll need to buy some ETH in order to cover the fees. If you already own some ETH, you will need to make sure you have it in a digital wallet, which you will need to connect to your chosen NFT platform. To create a digital platform with Metamask, you will need to go to its website and click on the blue download button in the top right. As I'm using desktop computer, I have already installed the browser extension of it. Once you have set up your digital wallet, you will need to add some ETH to it. You can use this address to send the ETH to your digital wallet. Make sure you only buy the Ethereum where it has send option so that you can transfer it to the digital wallet. Once this is done, go to OpenSea, log in with your wallet, which is Metamask in my case. So, these NFT platforms are always connected to your digital wallets. For any action you do here, would require a signature of yours on your digital wallet. Let's create an NFT now. I already have this JPEG file which I created before and upload this file. I would also add this to one of my collection which I have already created. And done. Now let's try and sell it. So one thing you need to keep in mind that the first time you try to sell an NFT, you would be charged with one-time initialization fee, which would totally depend on the network traffic. That is, it can vary from $80 to $500. You might have to keep this in mind.
So that is what we have for today. If you have anything else that could actually help others, please comment below. And if you think this video helped you, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel, which will create more useful and helpful content on YouTube. Thank you. See you in our next video.